Good morning. In chapter 7, we learn some important topics. In previous lecture, we learned criteria of triangle, congruent of triangle, criteria of congruence of triangle, theorem if in a triangle two sides are equal then their opposite angles are equal. Its converse is two sides of in a triangle two angles are equal then its opposite sides are equal. In this lecture, we learn some properties, some inequalities relation. Now, the topic is like this. Some inequality relations in a triangle. What is inequality? Equal, that means equal. But unequal, that means they in both they are smaller or greater. In this relation, some inequality relations in a triangle. Number 1. If two sides of triangle are unequal, then the longer side has greater angle opposite to it. If two sides of triangle are unequal. In triangle, two sides are unequal. Therefore, no sides are equal. Two sides are unequal. Then, the longer side has greater angle opposite to it. Longer side has greater angle. That means greater side has greater angle opposite to it. That is, if in triangle ABC, AB greater than AC, then we say that angle C greater than angle B. In triangle ABC, I take some examples in in successive lecture. If in any triangle ABC, AB greater than AC, then angle C greater than angle B. It's like this. In triangle ABC, here we see that AB greater than AC. This side is greater than. Suppose it is 5, it is 4 and 3. Measure on this side. Which side is greater? AB is greater. Then its opposite angle is also greater than it. In triangle, which is greatest angle? Angle C is greatest angle. Therefore, angle C is greater than B. Opposite side of AC. AB is greater than AC. Therefore, angle C is greater than angle B. Clear? First number. If two sides of triangle are unequal, then longer side has opposite angle, greater angle opposite to it. Otherwise, you know, in triangle, greater side, opposite angle of greater side is greater, or opposite angle of longer side is greatest angle. Second number, in a triangle, greater angle has longer side opposite to it. That is, if in any triangle ABC, angle A is greater than angle B, then BC greater than AC. Suppose in triangle, we draw this triangle. I take here angle A, B, C. In this triangle, angle A is greater than angle B. Angle A is greater than angle B. Then which sides? Angle A opposite side BC is greater than B opposite side is AC. Then BC greater than AC. A opposite side B BC and B opposite side AC, then BC greater than AC. Number 3. The sum of any two sides of triangle is greater than the third side. Sum of two sides is greater than third side. That is, in any triangle ABC, AB plus BC greater than AC, AC plus BC greater than AB plus AC greater than BC. Any subject, suppose I have two sum, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 greater than 5. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 is greater than 3. 5 plus 3 is greater than 4. Therefore, this rule is like this. In triangle, sum of any two sides is greater than third side. In triangle, sum of two sides is greater than the third side. It's this number. After 4, this number, the difference of any two sides of triangle is less than the third side. Sum is greater than third side and difference is less than third side. In this triangle, suppose 4 minus 3 is less than 5. 5 minus 4 is less than 3. And 5 minus 3 is less than 4. In this triangle, in any triangle, sum of two sides is greater than third side and difference of two sides is less than third side. Then we write AB minus BC less than AC, AC minus BC less than AB and AB minus AC less than BC. Taking positive difference. Number 4. This topic. Of all the line segments can be drawn to a given line from a point of line on it. All the line segments can be drawn to a given line. Here, line segments drawn into given line, and we draw some line segment from a point not lying on it. The perpendicular line segment is the shortest. Perpendicular line segment is the shortest. Now is the shortest. That is, P is any point not lying on L. P is not lying on L. PM perpendicular L. PM perpendicular L, then PM less than PN, PM less than PQ. Otherwise, PR less than PM less than PR. Any number. This perpendicular is shortest distance. Therefore, is the shortest. Of all segments lying on line segments can be drawn to a given line from a point not lying on it. The perpendicular line segment, we remember this. The perpendicular line segment is the shortest. The perpendicular, we remember in figure, question figure. Perpendicular is the line segment, perpendicular line segment is the shortest in among these line segments. Okay? We learn 5 things. Number 1, in triangle, angle opposite to larger side is greater, or in triangle, then the longer side has greater angle opposite to it. Greater angle is opposite to greatest side. And greatest side is greater opposite to it. Longer side opposite to it. Otherwise in the triangle, greater angle has the longer side opposite to it. In triangle, sum of two sides are greater than third sides and difference of two sides is less than third side, and perpendicular line segment is the shortest among all the line segments drawn on the same line from any point not lying on L. Now we start exercise 7.4. So that in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. In this question, first we draw figure. In a right angle triangle, triangle ABC is right angle triangle in which angle B is equals to 90. Which is hypotenuse? AC is hypotenuse. Then prove that the hypotenuse is the longest side. We write here given triangle ABC is right angle. Angle B is equals to 90. The hypotenuse is the longest side, which is hypotenuse AC. Then to prove AC is the longest side, to prove AC is the longest side in triangle ABC. Taking right here proof. How we say that AC is longest side? First we write angle B is equals to 90. And in triangle ABC, sum of all angles is 180. Sum of all angles is equals to 180. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. But angle B is equals to 90. Therefore, angle A plus angle C plus 90 is equals to 180. Therefore, angle A plus C is equals to 180 minus 90 equals to 90. But angle B is equals to 90. Angle B is the largest angle in triangle ABC. Then we must say, then it must be AC, its opposite side is the largest. Its opposite side must be largest of angle B. Then AC is the largest side of angle B. Therefore, AC is the largest side in triangle ABC. Then we say that in right triangle, hypotenuse is the largest side. In triangle ABC, sum of plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. Now what do we do here? Angle B is equals to 90. Put in angle B is equals to 90. Angle A plus 90 degree plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Angle A plus angle C is equals to 90. Here angle B is equals to 90. Angle B is equals to 90 degree. Angle A plus C is equals to 90 degree and angle B is equals to 90 degree. There is only one angle. Here sum of two angles is equals to 90. Then angle B is the largest angle. Then angle B is the greatest angle in triangle ABC. Angle B is the greatest angle in triangle ABC. So, its opposite side must be largest or greatest, must be the largest side. Opposite side of angle B is AC. AC is the largest side in triangle ABC. Again, show that in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the largest side. Given part, triangle ABC is right angle and angle B is equals to 90. To prove AC is the largest side. Proof. In triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 90 and angle A plus B plus C is equals to 180. Angle B is equals to 90 degree, then angle A plus C is equals to 90 degree and angle B is equals to 90 degree. In this, angle B is the greatest angle in triangle ABC. So its opposite side must be largest. Which is our property, some important topic we learn. Opposite angle of greatest side is greatest, or opposite side of greatest angle is greatest. Here opposite side of angle B is AC. Then AC is the largest side of in triangle ABC. Clear? It is question number 1. Now, question number 3. In figure, angle B is less than angle A. Angle B is less than angle A and angle C is less than angle D. Show that AD is less than BC. In given part, in this figure, angle B less than angle A and angle C is less than angle D. To prove AD less than BC. Now proof. We have given angle B less than angle A. In this figure, angle B is less than angle A. We using our relation between angle and side. Angle B is less than angle A. Therefore, their opposite angle is also less than. Angle B is opposite side OA and angle A opposite side OB. Therefore, opposite side OA in triangle OAB. In triangle OAB, OA is less than angle A opposite side is OB. OA is less than OB. Result number 1. Opposite side of smaller angles are smaller. Opposite sides of smaller angles are smaller. Angle B is less than angle A, therefore OA is less than OB. Opposite side of these angles are smaller. Again, angle C is less than angle D. Now, in triangle OCD, in figure, angle C, which is opposite side of angle C? OD. And which is opposite side of angle D? OC. Then we write here OD, OC inequality. OD is less than OC. Result number 2. Same this result. Opposite sides of smaller angles are small. We want here AD is less than BC. AD and BC. AD is equals to OA plus OD and BC is equals to OB plus OC. Then we adding 1 and 2. OA plus OD is less than OB plus OC. Adding 1, OA plus OD is less than OB plus OC. What is OA plus OD? OA plus OD is equals to AD. AD less than OB plus OC. OB plus OC here is the. Then OB plus OC is equals to BC. AD less than BC. Hence proof. It's so easy. Given part to prove. First we write here angle B less than angle A. Then which sides are less than? And OA is less than OB. We write here angle C less than angle D. Therefore angle opposite side OD is less than OC. Adding 1 and 2, OA plus OD is less than OB plus OC. But here OA plus OD, that means AD and OB plus OC, that means BC. Therefore AD is less than BC and